Namaste students. Students, in last class we have discussed about conversion kilometer to meter, meter to centimeter. So in that conversion we multiply because bigger unit to smaller unit. So we can use to multiplication. Then here another one concept. Here we can use to smaller unit to bigger unit. So what we do bigger unit, smaller unit to bigger unit, we can use into division. Guruji, what we divide, what we divide. So okay, look at that. Look at that. So here change into meters and centimeters. Meters and centimeter. To convert centimeters to meter, centimeters to meter, we divide the number of centimeters by 100. So we divide the number of centimeters by 100. So look at that. Here, which is a smaller unit? Centimeter is a smaller unit. Meter is a bigger unit because 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So we can divide. So we can using division by 100. You know the table of 100. You know the table of 100. 100 on the 100, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300, 100 for the 400, 100 for the 500, 106 the 600, 107 the 700, 108 the 800, 109 the 900. So we can using, okay, so that tables we can using and divide the number. Okay, so we can use, so we'll look at that. So to convert centimeters to meter, convert ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, centimeters ಇಂದ meter ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, so we divide the number. So we can divide the number. How much? Divide by 100. Because why we divide? So centimeter to meter, here smaller unit to bigger unit. So we can check one example. 200 centimeter. This number has to be converted into meter. So we can using divide by 200 cent 200 centimeter, 200 into divided by 100. So let us 200 divided by 100. 100 how much? 200. 100 to the 200. So we get the quotient is 2. Quotient is 2. We should write 200 centimeter equal to 2 meter. We should write 2 meter like this. Okay. So 200 centimeter equal to 2 meter. So this is the one of the example. Another one example. Next. 2 527 centimeter. Here one of the question. 527 centimeter. So we should 527 centimeter divided by 27 divided by 100. We can divide the number. 527 divided by 100. So let us divide 100, 527. Your divisor is 3 digit number. Dividend also taken 3 digit number. What is the 3 digit number? 527. 500 table 527 nearest number. 100 to the 100, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300, 100 for the 400, 100 5 the 500. Divide 7 less 0, 7, 2 less 0, 2. Guruji, remainder will be there. What you called? So remainder is called as centimeter. In that 527, complete hundreds 5. This is called as meter. So remaining 527, so it is 27 is centimeter. In that 527, 5 meter and 27 centimeter. We should write 527 centimeter is converted to meter. So how many complete meters? 5 meters and remaining 27 centimeter. It's like that. We should do it. Okay. So then next problem. Third one. 3,456 centimeter. 3,400, 4-digit number will be given. What we do? 3,456. Here we can two steps we have to follow. So here 3,500, sorry, 3,456 centimeter divided by 100. Let us divide 100 table. 3,456. Okay, so 3-digit number is what? 345. 3-digit number 345. 100 table, 100 on the 100, 100 to the 200, 100 to the 300. 100 for the 400 is bigger, so we can take 345 only. So 100 3 the 300. 5 4 0. Next 6 downside. 456. 100 table 456. Nearest number 100 for the 400. 100 for the 400. 6 5. So in that 3,456, totally hundreds 34 are there. So it is complete meter. It is complete meter. So that's why we can take to it is meter. That's why it is taken. So remaining what is that? It is 56 centimeter. It is considered for the centimeter. So we should write 3,456 centimeter equal to 34 meter 56 centimeter, like this. So I will solve another one question. Okay, let us do it fast. Okay, fourth one question. 5,007 centimeter. 5,007 centimeter. So let us do it. Okay, so 5,007 divided by 100. So divide 5,007 divided by 100. So 3-digit number is what? 500. You divisor ಎಷ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೋ dividend ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ divisor 3-digit number ಇದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ 3-digit number ತಗೋಬೇಕು. So ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 500 ಇದೆ. 500 100 table 500 is there. How much? 105 the 500. 0 0 0. Next, now it is complete divide? No. So 7 is there. It is also a dividend. It is not a remainder. Okay, let us continue. So 100 table 7 is not there. What you do? 100 0 to 0. Now it is divided. Now it is completely subtracted. So what is that? 7. So what is here? So it is 5,007 completely. 150 are there. Totally 150 are there. So it is considered for the meter. It is centimeter. So 5,007 centimeter equal to 50 meter 7 centimeter in that question. Keep in mind 50 meter and 7 centimeter. 50 meter 7 centimeter. So look at this. So we can divide by 100. Quotient is always taken to bigger unit. Remainder is always taken to smaller unit. Okay, that is called as division. So it is called as change into meters and centimeter. So in that question having centimeter is there, we can convert it to meter and centimeter. Centimeter what? It means remaining. So it means what is the how much has to be remaining, how much has left is there in that questions given centimeter. So that is called as compared to the centimeter. So this is like that. We can convert into centimeters to meter. Now I will go for kilometers and meters. So meters to kilometer. Here divide by 1000. Students, I am already told smaller unit to bigger unit. So it is division. Okay. So here change into kilometers and meters. To convert meters into kilometers, meters into kilometers. So we divide the number of meters by 1000. So we can using meter to kilometer, meter to kilometer divided by 1000. Why we divide by 1000? 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. So we can divide 1000, so we get the kilometer. Now taken some examples. So we know the table of 1000 table. 1000 to the 1000, 1000 to the 2000, 1003 the 3000, 1004 the 4000, 1005 the 5000, 1004 the 6000, 1007 the 7000, 1008 the 8000, 1009 the 9000, 1010 the 10,000. 10,000. You know that all of you. Okay. So this is the table of 1000. Okay. So now using the table of 1000, then so first I will take one example. 7500 example, sorry, example first one. 6500 meter. 6500 meter. In this meter, so converted to kilometer. Converted to kilometer here. So we can using division method. How much is divide? 6500 divided by 1000. So look at that. So 1000, 6500. So 1000 table 6500 nearest number. 1000 and the 1000, 1000 to the 2000, 1000 to the 3000, 1000 for the 4000, 1005 the 5000, 1006 the 6000, 1007 the 7000 is bigger. So we can take to 1006 the 6000. 6000. Now subtract 0, 0, 5 remaining. So Guru, in that question, 6000 completely, thousands are there, 6 is there. 6400 completely 6 are there. So it is considered for kilometer. Remaining what? So it is meter. Remaining it is meter. So we write 6500 meter equal to 6 kilometer 500 meter. This is the answer. Now I will go for another one question. Second one. Next. 8067 meter. 8067 meter. So now, so it is in meter. Let us convert it to kilometer. 8067 divided by 1000. Now taken 8067 divided by 1000. 1000, how much the 8000, 1000, 8000, 1009 the 9000 is bigger. Here only 8000. So we can take to nearest number is 8000. 1008 the 8000. Subtracted. 7 less 0, 7, 6 less 0, 6. So in that question 8067 completely 8000s are there. So it is considered for kilometer. Now it is meter remaining. So we should write 8067 meter equal to 8 kilometer. So 67 meter. 67 meter. Next one. Third one. Last one question. Nine thousand 876 meter. 9876 meter. So now it is divided by 1000 because we convert kilometer. We convert kilometer. Now, okay. So 1000, 9000 nearest number, 1005 the 5000, 1006 the 6000, 1007 the 7000, 1008 the 8000, 1009 the 9000, 1010 the 10,000 will be bigger. So we can take to 1,009 the 9,000. Now subtract it. 6, 7, 8. So in that question, 9,000 completely thousands are there. So 9 thousands are there. It is for, we can take to kilometer. It is remaining meter in the question, in the remainder. So now 9,876 meter equal to 9 kilometer 876 meter. This is the answer. Okay, so I hope all of you understand today's class for conversion meter ton centimeters and then kilometer to meter. So what about I will given, so in that fill in the blanks is there. First mine, okay, how many centimeters equal to 9 meter, 16 kilometer equal to how much meter, 3,000 meter equal to how much kilometer. So we should divide, we should divide the number or multiplication using that and find out the answer. So it is first 10th A question, 10th A first mine, and the fourth mine and fifth mine I will give the homework. Okay, I hope all of you understand the class, today's class. Okay students, I will sending the homework, you have to do in your HW. Okay, now it is all are easy. Okay students, take care, bye bye. Now I will continue the next class.